If you want to delete your Google Drive account permanently, follow these steps carefully to ensure that all your data is removed and your account is closed. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in with the credentials of the account you wish to delete. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your Google Drive. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains options related to your account's data and privacy settings. Step 3. Download your data optional. Before deleting your account, consider downloading your data if you want to keep any files or documents. Click on Download your data and follow the prompts to select the data you wish to save. Step 4. Delete your Google account. Scroll down to the Delete a Service or Your Account section. Click on Delete your account. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security check. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Read the information provided about what will happen when you delete your account. If you are sure you want to proceed, follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your Google Drive account permanently. After completing these steps, your Google Drive account will be deleted and you will no longer have access to any files stored in it. Make sure to double check that you have saved any important data before proceeding.